Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Teacher Learner Point. Today we are going to cover the session of the assignment number 2 of the subject Advanced National Accounting FIN611 in this video. So its last date is 22nd February 2022 and it has total marks equal to 10. It has only one question. So sorry for interruption by my talk. So he is in very excitement. I don't know why. So let's come back to our questions. And the XYZ Limited planned the construction of plant for production at another site. The construction will be required a huge amount. This may also require to import some machinery as well. The following information has been extracted from the balance sheet of XYZ Limited as on 31st December 2020. The question is that there is a company whose name is XYZ Limited. He interested to construct a plant for its production purposes and another site. It means it has already some production plant, existing plant, but he is interested to construct that plant for on another site. So for this he was required a very large amount of rupees. Further, this may also require some machine that will be imported from the other countries. So he question informed us that he extracted some information regarding loans from the balance sheet of XYZ Limited company, and the information about the loans are here. Loans A has been taken at 19% per annum, uh, and his amount is 1.5 million. The second loan B is taken at 15% per annum, and his amount is 3.5 million. And lastly, the loan C is taken at 21.5% per annum, and his amount is rupees 2.5 million. There is a further information about the loans. Loan A and loan C was taken at the start of the financial year. It means maybe 1st, 2nd January, whereas the loan B was taken on March 31st, 2020. The import duty of rupees 100,000 also paid after deducting the government subsidy given of rupees 100,000 on import duty. There is a little bit more information about this plan that the entity paid import duty of rupees 100,000 that he has imported from the other countries, as well as he also deducted the amount 100,000 from the same time on import duty that is given by the government to the company. Other than these expenses, XYZ Company Limited has incurred the following expenditure during the year on plan under the construction. Uh, Besides this import duty and subsidy, the company engages the following expenditures that are related to the construction of this plant. Dates are very important in this case. February 1, 2020, 500,000. April 30, 2020, 700,000. Uh, September 30, 2020, 1.3 million. Required to determine the capitalization and a total cost to be capitalized on construction of the plant till the date. Now we are two tasks in front of us. One, to find out the capitalization rate and the total cost that is going to be capitalized related to the construction of the plant. So I request you read all these important points and available on this page of your assignment for your better understanding. So let's move to the solution. I have done this solution on Excel. So let's start the solutions step by step. In first table, I have two portions. First portion is related to the information given by the question, and the portion after the in this yellow line is calculation based. So first column of this table tells you about the date of the loans, and the second is loan type ABC and the amount of the loans, and the column rate is about the rate of interest related to the each loan types and uh, weighted average rupees in rupees. So this is a column that we are going to be calculated, and this is the amount that is related to the uh, that accounting period. So we are going to be calculated uh, on the basis of number of months that we have used as per each loan in the prevailing accounting period, which started from 2020, January 2020 to 31st December 2020. So how we calculated this? See, for this January whole 12 month has been used. For this we use 9 months, and for this we use 12 months again. So what we did, we multiplied every month by the respective use of months and divided by the base number of months, which are equal to 12. So look at this, in this case 12 by 12. So all amount is come under this cell. Second one is, as this is March, means 1st April. So how many months we will consider in this case? 9 months. 9 by 12, 2.625 million, and similarly the same amount is appeared in this cell, because again it is used for 12 months period. So now we are going to calculate the interest amount in respect of each loan type based on these rates. So 285, it is obtained by multiplying 0.19% with this 1.5 million. So we will get this amount 285, which is also a borrowing cost per loan A. So on the same way, I have calculated that the two borrowing costs uh, irrespective of the other two loan types B and C. So get the total of these two columns to find out the capitalization rate. In next step, I am going to find the capitalization rate. What is this? So it is equal to the total interest amount or borrowing cost divided by weighted average loan, this column, into 100. So 0.19% rate we have obtained, which is called capitalization rate. So total interest, see here, H8 H8 divided by G8 into 100. Now this is a very important slide. So borrowing cost eligible for capitalization, and that we are going to be calculated. Until now we have calculated all information regarding the loans. Now we are going to take up the portion which are related to the construction of the plant, and the amount which has incurred as a cost is taken out from these amounts. So that's why we are going to apply this rate, which is known as capitalization rate, in determining the uh, portion of the borrowing cost that is eligible for capitalization. So here is the capital expenditure that already incurred in connection with the construction of the plant: 500,000, 700,000, and 1.3 million. So this is a capitalization, and again period is very important. This is used for 11 months, and this is used for 9 months, and this is used for 1 month. So capitalization amount will be obtained as by multiplying related to the borrowing cost, because we need uh, absolute terms all these expenditures are incurred, but we are going to interesting to find the portion of the uh, borrowing cost that is related to this construction of the plant, and become the part of the total cost that to be capitalized. So multiplying 500,000 with 0.19 and 0.92, look at this. So we will get this amount 87,083.33 under the column capitalization, and on the same line we find out the rest of the two, and this is the total of this column capitalization. So Now capital expenditure, this is a capital expenditure 2.5 million that we have already incurred, and this is the borrowing cost eligible for capitalization. This is which is calculated on the base of capitalization rate. So why we calculated this? Because it is related with the borrowing cost. So this is the amount that we have deducted from the borrowing cost to make it part of the uh, total cost of the plant for the accounting period, and that is will be capitalized. So borrowing cost eligible for capitalization 207,416.67. This one come here. Import duty is a part of, because if we don't avail this machine, we cannot complete our production. We cannot get our future benefits for the entity. So total cost is equal to 2.8 million. Yes, formula is correct. So again, government has given subsidy, so we deduct this subsidy, and net total cost is 2.7 million. Now we are interested to find out the portion of the borrowing cost that is charged as expense and become the part of the income statement. So what is this? This is total borrowing cost. Total borrowing cost minus this is capitalization. So this is the amount of borrowing cost 1.051 something more million, which is charged as expense and become the part of the uh, income statement. I hope you enjoyed these solutions. If you have any query, please come up in the comment section, or otherwise you want to share your own opinion or suggestions or make contribution about your knowledge. Comment section is in front of you. It is open for all discussion, for all type of discussion between us. That become the reason of increase our knowledge. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.